Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see where to put liquid or powder detergent and fabric softener in Samsung front load washing machine. So let's check it out. This is the Samsung BESPOKE AI front load washing machine, but these steps could be applicable for other Samsung or even other brand front load washing machines too. We got this washing machine from the Samsung website, but this is also available on Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description. If we are using the front load washing machine for the first time, or if we are using a washing machine in general for the first time, then we might be confused what to add and where to add in the detergent drawer. So in this video, we will see the steps to add them here. Generally, most of the front load washing machines, let it be Samsung or any other brand, will at least have three components in the detergent drawer: main wash, softener and pre-wash. In these components, we can add our powder or liquid detergent and our fabric softener as well. The main wash compartment is often indicated by the number or symbol 2. We can see the 2 symbol here. The fabric softener compartment will be indicated by a flower symbol. We can see that here. And finally, if we have a pre-wash compartment, then it should be indicated by number or symbol 1. We can see that here. First, I am going to put some clothes inside. Now let's start with powder detergent first. We will add the powder detergent in the main wash compartment. Usually this will be in the first one. The amount of detergent we need to use depends on the number of clothes we have. So we just have to put the required amount. For general wash, we can just use our main wash compartment alone and start to wash our clothes. We have used Surf Excel, Tide, Ariel, etc. All these are good for washing our clothes properly. I'll add the links in the description. Also, if we need a fabric softener, then we can add that to this blue compartment with the flower symbol. We can see the max line warning here, so we shouldn't overfill this. Just add the required amount. That's all. And finally, we have the pre-wash compartment here. So if we have heavily soiled clothes with dirt and sweat, then we can fill this pre-wash compartment with some detergent as well. This compartment will be used first for pre-washing the clothes, mostly with cold water, and it will follow the selected wash program next. That's all. Now we can close this. Now we can start the washing machine and use this dial to choose the program. I'll go with cotton now. On this specific Samsung front load washing machine, we can go to this hand icon and enable pre-wash here. Pre-wash on. Now we just have to press and hold this start icon to start. That's all. Now suppose if we have liquid detergent, then the process is almost similar. We have to add our required clothes first. Then we just have to open the detergent drawer. Here in the main wash compartment, we can add our required amount of liquid detergent. But for some models, we get this liquid detergent guide. We have to add this to the main wash compartment whenever we use liquid detergent instead of powder. We have to insert it like this. Here we can see the max line, so we shouldn't overfill this. So just have to insert it like this. That's all. We usually use the bottle cap as the cup to get an idea. Again, for casual general use, only the main wash compartment is fine. So I'll just put some liquid detergent. The amount depends on the number of clothes we have. That's all. If we want, we can also add some fabric softener. We have to add this here in the flower icon compartment. So we shouldn't overfill this. That's all. Now for the pre-wash compartment, sometimes some brands don't recommend liquid detergent for pre-wash or delay wash because this compartment will dispense immediately and this may impact the drawer or drum. But still I have seen people using this for both the main wash and pre-wash. They have no issues with this. Maybe it depends on the detergent drawer design too. Also, they say we shouldn't mix powder and liquid detergent for the same wash cycle. I'm not 100% sure about this because the technology inside the washing machines keep changing. We get updated new models now and then. So kindly correct me if this is no longer applicable. So now we can turn on the washing machine. So we can choose the wash cycle we want. I'll go with cotton itself now. So if we don't have any pre-wash requirements, we can simply leave this compartment empty, no issues. Now I'm going to start the washing machine. That's all. These are the steps to add powder or liquid detergent and fabric softener on Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.